Hello, Robin. It's Joe. I did an analysis on your GMB, and I searched for VAP pets dog walkers in Dallas, and your GMB showed up. Um, but I was specific with my search. I asked for VIP. Um, but if you just, if someone is searching to uh, for a pet walking company in Dallas, um, for this particular keyword, pet walking Dallas, you guys do come up. Here you are. You come up in the second page. Um, I'm kind of surprised that you're so far back because you have a pretty good website. This is the first page. This is an ad. You probably are familiar with this, I'm sure. And then these guys are second, or actually first, organic uh, search. This is they pay for this position, and this is organic. They're not paying for this, and neither are these folks. And so there's quite a few in front of you. Um, this is not you. This is someone else. And so you're on the second page, which is really, I mean, hardly anybody goes to a second page to look for a service when there's so many on the first page. I did. I mean, your site's been around for a long time. Um, your matrix are pretty good. You have 40 trust flow and 35 citation. It's decent. And then your backlinks and your domain rating and referring domains, it's all pretty good. So um you said that somebody was messing around with your GMBs, probably caused you to drop so far down because again you got pretty strong matrix. Um, So this was up and running, and let me show you this one here. This one, which is the same thing. S- Um, so if all this is correct, then you're up. Um, it's the same one as this one, looks like. Yeah. So if there's two, I couldn't find two. Yeah, so maybe the other one was canceled. Um, so if you want to search like this and go through it and make sure all the information is correct, because only the person that has the password to access uh, the GMB can change anything if you want anything changed. But this looks like all your phone numbers, and so there you go. It looks pretty good, other than your ranking on page two. To get up, you're gonna have to wait or do some more backlinking. These are do follow backlinks, 64% of them, and just get your matrix up. Um, but I think it's just a matter of time that you beat these guys that are in front of you, these people over here. Okay, hey Robin, good luck. If I can help you, we do SEO as well. We can help you get up to the first page if you're interested. Okay, um, up here. Alrighty, thanks, and we'll talk soon.